guys, my name is Jasraj and today I will teach a program how to find a factorial of the given number. We have to take the number from the user. But first we need to understand about the concept of the factorial. So let us understand about the concept of the factorial first. Factorial is the product of the integer and all number below it. Factorial is the product of a positive integer in fact and all the numbers below it. For example, 4 factorial is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. 5 factorial is 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 120. Similarly, we will count the 3 factorial. By definition, we know that 1 factorial is 1 because 1 and 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 1, but 0 factorial is also defined as 1. There is no evident proof regarding this, but it is believed from ancient times. Now we will be doing a program to find a factorial of the number. We will be using the import class import java.util.asterisk. Now here you can, in the place of asterisk, you can also use the scanner class, but I am importing all the classes of the scanner because I find it more easier. Furthermore, I will declare the class name. Class will be named as factorial by me. Factorial. Then we will declare public static void main string args. Control will go inside. It is a main body, main loop body, main body. So we have put the curly braces. Now inside it, we will be taking the input from the user. So I will write one statement which you have to write in all the programs where you import the scanner class, which is scanner sc. Sc is here the name of the scanner class. You can take any name, A, B, C, anything. Scanner sc equals to new caps lock scanner system.in. Now I will ask the user to input any number. Now remember that the factorial is the product of integer, and integer here belongs to only positive integer. So system.out.println enter a positive integer. We warn the user that please enter that only, otherwise the program will give an error. Now semicolon terminating the statement. Now we will be making an accumulator which I am naming as PD, or we can name as F, because for factorial it is more appropriate. We will declare initially as 1. Its value will increase each time we will be using the loop and iterating it. Now we will be using the loop. We can do by using either the for loop or the while loop. I personally like using for loop in this small programs. For int I equals to 1, because it is more lenient and easy. I equals to 1. I is less than the number which we have input from the user. Yes, one error we have made, that we have not taken the input from the user, where he will input sc dot next method name declared. Now again curly braces, why? Because it is a main block statement, main body statement, and especially it is a loop, and I will iterate. So We're also using the I plus plus condition. I is here the test variable, or we can say the control variable, which counts the number of times the user will iterate the loop, well the programmer will iterate the loop. So now we're writing a simple statement, pd multiplied by equals to I. Now this statement uses a shorthand assignment operator, which is multiply, that is asterisk equals to. This is a shorthand assignment operator. You can also use it as pd equals to pd multiplied by I. It will work the same. Now we will be closing this loop, and we will writing system dot out dot println factorial of the number. Since it is a string type of thing which we are writing, therefore we are using here double quotes. Factorial is equal to plus. Plus is here used for concatenation. Concatenation is combination of two things, and we will add the pd, or yes, in fact the pd here also it must be pd. Now our program will be running because it is now done. Let us see. We'll be running it. We have made one error. Can we identify it? We have given one extra braces. Is there any other error? No. Now the user is asking that enter a positive integer. Now the user is we are asking that enter a positive integer. So let's say I enter 5. We know that 5 factorial is 120. Now see, it's giving the right output. Let us try another one. 3. 3 factorial. 3 would be equal to, first we're making it run, then 3. 3 is 6, and the factorial is also coming 6. Now see, if you don't understand this condition, pd multiplied by equals to I, then understand it. Pd is 1, 1, I equals to 1, I less than equals to number. Suppose the number here is 3. Okay, so 1 is less than equals to 3, then 1 will iterate. 1 is less than equals to 3, yes, so control will go inside. Pd multiplied by equals to I, pd is here 1, 1 multiplied 1 equals to 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, so the new value of the pd will be 1. Now I plus plus control variable, the test control variable will iterate and will be incremented by 1. It will become 2, and similarly we can find how many times the loop will iterate. The answer will finally come to be as 3. You can test it like that now the new I value of I will become 2. pd which is 1, which was 1, 1 multiplied by 2. Now pd new value is 2. Now value of I again incremented, 3 less than equals to 3, yes it is equal to 3. Therefore new value of pd would be equals to pd with initial value pd multiplied by 3. Initial value was 2, which we have got. Now 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now again the loop will iterate. I plus plus I's new value will become 4. But is 4 less than equals to 3? No, it is not equal to 3, is not less than 3. 4 is actually greater than 3. So this for loop condition will become false, and this whole for loop will collapse. And at the last, the system.out.println statement will be printed factorial plus the pd value, pd which was 6 will be printed like this. So I hope that this video would be very useful for all of you to learn this program, and understand the logic behind it. And I please like and subscribe this video.